Hello everyone. Today we are going to start problem based on rule 12 question number 1. See here what the question now. 2 years ago a mother was 4 times as old as her daughter. What is telling 2 years back mother was how much? 4 times as old as daughter. Means daughter is 1 time means mother will be 4 times. 8 year ends mother age would exceed her daughter age by 12 years. What is telling 8 years ends means 8 years after how much mother age exceed the daughter age by 12 years. It means what? Mother and daughter age gap. How much? 12 years gap. Mother definitely 12 years older than her daughter age. There is a difference of that is the meaning. The ratio of the present age of the mother and daughter is how much? What is asking? Mother and daughter ages of the present ages of the mother and daughter ratio. First we will find what is the present age of the mother and daughter. After that we will find the age ratio. So first how to calculate, how to make in that trick. See that 2 years ago mother was 4 times her daughter. 2 years ago. Then first we will write 2 years ago. How much? Mother and daughter. How much is there? 4:1. That much if up to here. Understand? 4 times as your daughter. 4:1. Finish 2 years ago. 8 years ends. 8 year ends means after. It ends or after mother age would exceed her daughter age by 12 years. Mother difference daughter how much? Differ 12 years. Mother and daughter difference how much? 12 years. Got it? First second line. 8 years hence mother and difference 12 years. The ratio of the present age of the mother and daughter. What is asking? Present age means much? One put one dash. Asking mother present age, daughter present age ratio. First we should find out the mother age and daughter age in present. So we are know that 2 years ago their ratio given 4:1. If you know that mother age in the 2 years ago and daughter age 2 years ago, then you easily can find out the today age. 2 years back you know means today age also you can get. So how to get this 4:1? The value mother age for 2 years back mother age daughter age. There is a given the data. Here they given the data. What? The mother and difference age 12 years. See one thing note. Here 8 year ends. See in previous question what happening? Before the rule 1 you see that rule 1 and 2 up to 4 they are given the ratio. 2 years ago mother was 4 times her daughter. One is given 4:1 ratio and next 8 years ends the mother exceeded daughter age. See here what is given? This is ratio 1 given and second thing is difference given. Rule of initial rule of 11. Not rule 11. If you see the rule 11 there is given 8 year ends instead of 6 years ago, and this question is 8 year ends means after. So what is the difference? That's why this is rule 12. This is not the same question as is rule 11. There is given 8 years 6 years ago, and this is one condition is ratio, other condition is after 8 years hence. See, rule 11 what is there? One is ratio, other one is 6 years ago, recent ago. This is after. That is the difference. And remaining thing will be same. But here what is the how to get, sir? When the question will be changed means our trick should be you know that how, sir, if question change means how the trick will work. See when suppose mother and difference is 12 year 8 year ends. For example I will give one example. Suppose mother age 2 years ago. Let ago. I am not discussing the after. First 2 year ago. Mother age decreased 2 years ago. What will be today's mom? Today let think mother is 40 years. 2 years ago how much? 38 years. At the same time daughter also age also reduced na. Mother age reduced means daughter also obviously reduced. That means their difference never will be changed. Got it? Suppose mother is today 40 years, tomorrow after 2 years what will be 42. Same time daughter age also 2 years increase after 2 years. That the difference will be same. That means either 8 years hence or 8 years ago there is no differ in the difference. Difference will be same. So rule 11 and rule 12 the trick will be same. The nothing will be changed. Either a given hence or after hence or ago a rule the rule will be not changed. Then how will become that rule 11? How we did? See we first we calculate the how much is 4 part, mother daughter is 1 part. So total how many part? 3 part. For 3 part value how much given? 12 years. 3 part value given 12 years. 1 part value 12 by 3. How much? 4. 1 part value how much? 4 year. Got it? So 4 part, how much you will get? 4 4 ja 16, 4 1 ja 4. This 4, one part is equal to 4, one part is equal to 4, 4 part how much? 16. So then you will get 16 and 4 is 2 years ago age. So present age how much? Plus 2 plus 2. 2 years ago means 16 or 4 means present is in plus 2 how much? 16 2 ja 18, 4 2 ja 4, 16 plus 2 how much? 18, 4 plus 2 how much? 6. This is our present age. Present age of the mother age 18 and daughter age is 6. Okay, then they asking what? The ratio they asked, not the this age. Then mother and daughter age how much? Mother age is 18 and daughter age 6. Mother is 18 and daughter is 6. How much? 6 3 is 18, 6 k 6. This is 3/1 or 3:1 is a ratio. Got it? This is our answer. 3:1 is our answer. If you understand, please like it, and any doubt means write in comment section. So this is my doubt, and if you come to my channel first time means please subscribe it, because for you it is free, for me it is helpful. Thank you so much.